today's video, we will do an unboxing! Yan, so for today, mag-unbox tayo ng new pair of riding boots. So, galing to sa Global X. And as you can see, on their packaging, it says na it's proudly made in the Philippines. So, full support talaga sa lahat ng local businesses out there. So, ayan, wag na natin patagalin to, guys. Buksan na natin yung package from Global X. Yay! New riding boots! Yeah! Ay, okay na, close pa. And, may letter. May letters na in-include. So, basahin muna natin to. May stickers na in-include dito sa loob ng envelope. Ayan, yung shoes, yung riding boots. Actually, guys, nakalimutan ko i-mention, pero yung tawag sa product na to is Havoc. So, it's spelled with an H-A-V-O-C. Ayan, Havoc riding boots yung tawag sa kanya by Global X. And nakasunod din dito, sa sticker na to, Ride or Die. Sobrang cutie. And cute! So, meron din ganito naka-embroider na yung Havoc riding boots nila. I think parang pwede ito ilagay sa denim na jacket. Tapos pwedeng i-plancha para dumikit. So yeah, cute! Miss Catrice Carol. So nakasulat dito, our boots are not just shoes. They are a testament to the spirit of daring and resilience. Wow! And meron din card na nakasulat Global X, and sa likod nakasulat yung parang brief background about their company and their mission and vision. So yeah, thank you so much again, Global X, for my Havoc Pro riding boots. So ayan, tingnan natin yung boots! Ala, ang saya. Okay, so ayan! Ah! Ang ganda, guys! It really feels like it's expensive, pero mamaya talaga guys, magagulat kayo kung magkano lang siya. It feels so expensive! Wow! As in, nakaka-proud kasi it's locally made, guys. Ang ganda talaga ng quality niya. Hinahawakan ko pa lang siya. Hindi ko pa kasi siya natatry suotin. So, yeah, sa ibang video na lang yun. Pero, grabe, sobrang natutuwa ako. It's really nice. Actually, guys, sa isang boot, may nakalagay na tag na makikita nyo yung parang brief product features ng Havoc Pro riding boots. So, it says here, it's moisture wicking, it's recycled, it's comfortable, it's breathable, and it's antibacterial and odor absorbing. So, bago ko sabihin sa inyo yung mga product features niya, pakita ko muna sa inyo yung product itself para malaman nyo and makarelate kayo kung bakit sobrang happy ako sa nakikita ko ngayon. So, yeah, ito yung front view ng Havoc Pro boots. And then, this is the side view. Yan. And this is the other side view. And of course, ito yung back view. So, mag-start muna ako dito kasi favorite feature ko siya. Ayan, de-zipper siya, guys. So, at least mas madali natin ipasok yung paa natin sa riding boots. Yay! Ayan. Kasi yung experience ko sa ibang riding boots, guys, detalye talaga siya. So, minsan, tinatamad ako na i-tie siya, tapos i-untie ulit, ganyan. So, ang laking convenience ito sa akin, na de-zipper siya. So, ayan, may velcro siya, guys, para secure yung zipper. So, ayan o, hindi siya gumagalaw-galaw. Para at least hindi rin kagad masira yung zipper natin. And dito naman sa likod, may heel wedge din siya para effortless din yung pagtanggal natin ng paa natin. And then, dito sa harap, sa may logo ng Global X, tada! May flip over tongue na siya, guys, para at least yung cintas natin, yung lace natin, very secure na, and para snug fit din yung boots sa atin. Ayan, as you can see, meron na siyang shifter pads para at least matulungan tayo pag nag-shift tayo ng gears. And napansin ko to guys, ito, okay rin to. Sobrang okay actually ito, lalo na ako mahilig ako mag long ride. May calf cushion na siya and it's very soft. Para kahit sobrang tagal nyo ginagamit yung boots na to, hindi siya uncomfortable. Ayan, ang lambot niya. And if you look closely pala dito sa may shifter pads, makikita nyo guys, na stitch na yung sa may toes para at least mas sturdy, mas long-lasting yung riding boots nyo. Super saya ko guys kasi all-in-one na yung riding boots na to. It's durable, it offers protection, tapos, Japorms pa! So, ayan guys, magpa-price reveal na tayo! So, you can get these boots for only 3,500. Ayan, very affordable na siya guys, given na yun nga ang ganda ng quality niya, ang dami niyang product features, pasok siya sa safety, and pasok na pasok siya sa pogi points. But wait guys, there's more. Actually, nabasa ko sa product information that these Havoc Pro boots were crafted and studied by shoemakers with over 3 decades of experience. So I am sure guys that this is a very good investment. And of course, support local. Ayan, you can message Global X on their Facebook page. And yeah, on my next video naman, mag-share naman ako ng reviews ko, ng thoughts ko while using these boots. So yeah guys, thank you for watching and see you on my next Cat Venture!